The first thing you're going to do is you're going to apply graphite to the back of your printed out photo. Then you're going to use a piece of tape and apply it to your paper to trace all of the important features that you're going to need to have on your animal. So you can see here that I've traced everything with my pencil. My graphite's on the back. Once I remove it, I will have my transferred image, which then I'm going to go ahead and Sharpie with black Sharpie. Once you finish outlining your animal, you're going to be going ahead and trying out that method of relaxation to try and add line to your artwork. And the purpose of it is to do 3 full seconds of just free flowing lines and not really thinking about where they're going. I did happen to make sure that mine did not go across my dog's face, and remember that they can't just stop in the middle of the paper. We saw that in the other demonstration. So you're going to take a full 3 seconds and let the lines go across your paper wherever they happen to flow. And then you're going to be going in and rounding out your corners. So you saw that in the other demonstration video. You're looking for all of the intersections on your lines, maybe thickening up some lines as well as you go along. And you're trying to turn those intersection of lines into kind of little hills almost. You're rounding them out so there's no sharp corners. Once you finish that, you can decide if you also want to add in more lines to balance out and give your artwork a little more feeling of symmetry. And if you do that, also remember to go in and round out those hills as well. Once you're done with your line work, you are going to be going in with oil pastels for this project, and you should have practiced with the oil pastels prior to going on to your project. And I want you to consider the colors that you're using because you will be blending the colors together. So if they are colors such as complementary colors, for example, if I put yellow with this purple, it may end up with kind of a brown shade in the middle. So make sure you're thinking about how colors go together when you go to blend these. What you're going to do is you're going to lay down whatever color you want to do first. And then I go in with my second color and kind of apply it right over the top of my first color and ease it into its own color. So you see I applied the purple. Now I'm going over the purple with the blue. And then I'm going to fade it all the way into just blue. And you'll see that I'm going to demonstrate some other colors as well. Just make sure that you're filling in the white space. You can use your finger to go in and pull it. I usually don't. I just use my oil pastel over my other or my first color to really blend those colors out. You should also consider using a color scheme. I am using warm colors on the dog and cool colors in the background, therefore allowing my animal not to get lost in all of these colors. So definitely choose some color schemes for your animal and then a different color scheme for your background so that you can not lose your image within your artwork. And that's it. Once you finish applying your oil pastel, you should end up with a Neurographica inspired pet portrait.